Hey everybody, today's first project is this two-story house wash out on the west side of Charlotte. As you guys can see, has an abundance of mold, algae, dirt, grime all over the entire house. Also, the exterior gutter faces are in really bad shape, along with the exterior gutter faces up on the second story. And what I'm going to be doing is doing a complete soft wash. So without any pressure or any chance of damaging this customer's siding, I'm going to be able to go on ahead and do a delicate cleaning and show you guys here the type of results you can expect. So, just like this. And just like that, you guys see, went ahead and cleaned this home up using low pressure, making it look just like new. Also, the exterior gutter faces. You guys remember just how bad the exterior gutter faces were? We went ahead and took care of that for them. Looking just like new now. And then also up top, get this a little zoomed in. You guys remember just how bad it was up there. Now, never used any ladders or anything. Just because it's in an awkward spot doesn't mean I cannot get to it from the ground with the proper equipment. See that? And that gutter line just came out great. If you guys have a house in the Queen City and would like to get the same exact type of results, just give me a call at 980-290-8919 or visit cltpropertydetailing.com. I'm Jerry Johnson. Thanks for watching.